friends, welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. I am your health and life insurance consultant Kajal. 1 year has passed since the ReAssure plan was launched. Today we are going to know about the feedback of this plan, how this plan has performed in 1 year and how people got help from this plan. I will also let you know about the unique and special features of this plan. But before starting the video, I would like to request all of you, please subscribe to my channel, like my video and press the bell icon so that you get the latest update regarding my videos. Let's start the video. Friends, in August 2020, Max Bupa launched ReAssure plan. This plan was launched during lockdown. Max Bupa launched this product digitally. This happened for the first time in the entire industry that any product was launched digitally and turned out to be the successful, like a bomb exploded in a health insurance industry because huge number of the people bought this product. And I'm very happy to tell that in September 2020, 10,000 policies of this plan were sold. Until December 2020, Max Bupa sold 15,000 policies of this plan. This is a blockbuster performance product and today this is the best selling plan of the Indian health insurance market. Max Bupa sold 20,000 policies in February 2021. By March of the year 2021, 1 lakh policies were sold, and by June in the year 2021, 2 lakh plus policies were sold by Max Bupa. Friends, the ReAssure plan is sold in every corner of the India. Max Bupa have customer of this plan in almost every part of the state in the country. Till June 2021, Max Bupa sold 2,20,766 policies. This product has won 6% share of the market, which no company's product has won since 1 year. Just in 1 year, this product has given tremendous performance. Till now, Max Bupa ReAssure product has covered about 5 lakh lives, and last year Max Bupa has given claims around ₹70 crores to the customer of this plan. This is such a huge achievement. Now talking about the average claim size, then the average claim per policy given by Max Bupa is of ₹80,000. There are 650 unique cities where the customer of ReAssure product are living. Friends, let's know about the special features of this plan, which is unlimited restore, which no company has launched yet, and even if the company did, then the feature lacks while comparing with Max Bupa. And yes, this is also a unique selling feature of this plan. Now I will give you a live example of a customer whose claim came in recent year 2021. Friends, this customer had taken ReAssure plan of ₹10 lakhs, and in the first year of the policy, he took claim from it. After that, his wife got diagnosed with cancer, due to which his no claim bonus turned to 0. He exhausted that 10 lakh in the first 2 claims. Even after that, company gave them about 8 more claims within the same month, which was around 31 lakhs. So they got total claims of ₹41 lakhs from the company. Friends, this is really a big deal because the products which are available in the market right now, products other than the ReAssure plan, they claim up to maximum 20 lakh. But ReAssure plan unique feature is that it gives unlimited time claims even on the same disease. Friends, there are about 33 more such cases who took unlimited time claim from Max Bupa ReAssure plan. Then another amazing feature of this plan is free health checkup from day 1, which is unique in itself. Apart from this, there is another very important feature of this plan. This is for whoever already covered under this policy wants a discount on the renewal of this policy, then the company is giving a discount of 2.5% only if you choose the option of auto mandate 60 days before the policy renewal, and you will get the discount on every renewal. Friends, many policies are available in the market nowadays, which is more or less similar, but the ReAssure plan of Max Bupa company is the most affordable and its features are also unmatched. It means that no company is offering such features in today's date. Now I will tell you about some important features. The first is the reassured benefit. Friends, in this benefit, the company gives claim to unlimited times up to your base sum insured, and it is also applicable on the same person with the same illnesses. That means if the first claim is of 10 lakhs and if that person is diagnosed with cancer and again after 6 months he diagnosed with the same disease of cancer and his claim comes again for the 10 lakhs, then the company will give him that 10 lakh claim again, and like this he can take 10 lakh claims unlimited times in this policy. After this, the second unique feature in this plan is annual health checkup from day one. This is also a very unique feature which you will not find in product of any other company. And how much you will get this annual health checkup is rupees 500 per lakh rupees of sum insured. It means suppose you have taken a policy of rupees 5 lakhs, then you will get a free health checkup up to rupees 2500 from the first day of the policy. And if you have taken a policy of 10 lakhs, then you will get up to rupees 5000 free health checkup. Now there are two options to avail it. Either you can book an appointment in your nearest diagnostic center by calling the customer care of the company, which is called cashless health checkup. You do not have to pay any money in it. The another option is that if you want a health checkup, then you can take checkup of those 16 tests at your nearest diagnostic center and get your tests done and send the bills to the Max Bupa, and the company will reimburse your bills. Apart from this, the third biggest benefit is the booster benefits. Friends, you get this benefit 100% in your policy. It means your base sum insured increases 100% in the 2 claim-free years. It means your policy has 2 claim-free years. Your policy will increase up to 100%. Example, if someone has a policy of 10 lakhs and they have 2 claim-free years in their policy, then the sum insured of your policy increases by 100% and the policy of 10 lakhs becomes the policy of 20 lakhs. Now the fourth benefit of this plan is quite unique. In this benefit, you are getting the benefit for staying healthy. The company gives up to 30% discount on renewal. The company has made an app. You can download that app and that app will monitor your steps, heart rate, etc. And if you remain healthy, you will get points and those points will be converted into your discount. This is how this benefit will work. The fifth biggest benefit of this plan is the safeguard benefits. Friends, the safeguard option is so great. You get 3 benefits by taking this safeguard option. The first benefit is that the consumable items that the company does not pay normally, which are called non-payable items, are also 100% covered under this plan if you opt for the safeguard rider option. The second benefit you get from the safeguard rider is that your sum insured is automatically increased every year according to the consumer price index. This means that inflation will not affect your policy. This year your policy is for 10 lakhs. Next year your policy will be for 11 lakhs. After that it will be 12 lakhs. Automatically that policy will continue to be upgraded. There will be no need for you to upgrade that policy. The third benefit in the safeguard is that if any of your claim comes less than 50,000, then your booster benefit which the company gives, it will not get affected. It means even if the claim is less than 50,000, the company will still give you the benefit of no claim bonus. Now let's talk about the last but not the least benefit of this plan, which is the premium of this plan. Friends, the premium of this plan is very affordable and the best value is the proposition of this plan. Across the market, premium is very cheap. If you match the premium of Max Bupa ReAssure plan with other competitors in the market, then the premium of Max Bupa ReAssure plan is very affordable. Apart from this, in most companies, the premium increases after the 60 years and gets unaffordable in the higher age. But friends, The premium of Max Bupa Reassure plan remains affordable even in the higher age. Friends, this is an affordable and a value for money plan. If you want to know more about this plan, you can contact me through the number popping up on your screen. Hope the information shared in today's video is beneficial for you. I will continue to bring important information related to health and life insurance for you. I want to thank you all of you wholeheartedly. Because of the contribution given by each and every one of you, today our channel has gained more than 13,000 subscribers plus 6 lakh viewers on my channel. I literally have completed the family of more and more people, all the people who are connected with my channel. Stay supporting us in this journey. And if you are new on our channel, then be a part of our family. Thank you for watching the video.